everyone. I'm Matthew Halfacre, and welcome to Halfacre Research. I thank you all so much for being here. I want to get something out of the way really quickly. We are a macroeconomic research firm and an algorithmic trading and software development firm, but in no way are we registered investment advisors. You definitely should not misconstrue anything in our videos as investment advice. Please do your own research, and thank you all so much for being here. With that out of the way, welcome to the New School video series. This is our video series that follows along with our LinkedIn newsletter. It's designed to talk about the differences and upgrades with the old, archaic, and slow banking system, arising like a phoenix into a brand new thing called blockchain and decentralization and Bitcoin. Here at Halfacre Research, we are super excited about what these changes mean to you, what these changes mean to us, what can be done now and in the future with your portfolios, what was lacking with the retirement portfolios from the past, and more importantly, the word transparency. That's what we really want to see a shift in paradigm toward, is the entire financial space becoming 100% transparent for everyone involved, so that there doesn't have to be scandals, bailouts, questions about where's my tax money going, distrust, all of the things that come along with this old and archaic system. So if you feel like that's something that you're about, just hang on, buckle up, and we're going to get into it. So, what are the problems with the old school finance system? Well, number one, they're slow, they're inefficient, there's a trust issues, there's red tape issues, there's bailouts, there's scandals, there's corruption, inflation, rising debt, you name it. So I think everyone can agree that all of those problems are certainly there. If we do all in fact agree that all of those problems are certainly there, then we must all agree that there's got to be the human race and the collective consciousness joining together and moving toward some type of a solution. So you may ask, well, why is it that you say Bitcoin will be necessarily leading this new school money revolution? To answer that, I would simply have to say it's a combination of many factors. To shorten it into a smaller video terms, speed, transparency, plus decentralization. These are three things that the old school archaic banking system has never offered, and frankly will never have a chance to offer. With that, this space is completely comprised of individuals who do understand what sound hard money looks like. They do know the difference between sound hard money and the old school. And furthermore, the $107,000 price, obviously, this is not just a rally. If you're still at this point thinking things like, is this temporary? Has all the money from Bitcoin already been made? Am I too late? None of these are actually based in any merit or any fact. If you truly study, what you will see is that $107,000, while it does represent a lot more than just some simple price action, and it does represent retail trader trust, and in addition, a good portion of the institutions coming in, we are still minus many of the institutional buyers that haven't even gotten started, haven't even gotten warmed up, and are just now being sold on the idea. But in addition to that, we're fixing to start seeing literal countries having FOMO. The next phase is what I would like to kind of refer to as the currency wars. You're going to start seeing countries compete for strategic reserves in Bitcoin. And when you have a fixed supply asset, meaning the supply can never change, and you actually take that asset so far down the path that the retail buyers on earth love it, the institutional buyers on the earth love it, and now the countries on the earth love it, and all three of those sectors are fighting for it, we're going to see something we have never seen. This is going to be a revolution that is completely not anywhere close to done, has a long, long, long way to go, a lot more profit to be made. But moreover, even when worldwide penetration has taken place, even if you didn't make great profits compared to the dollar, it's not even going to matter because we did, in fact, gain those benefits I discussed earlier: the speed, the decentralization, the transparency, the honesty, the ease of accounting. All of these things are the real value. Don't focus so much on buying Bitcoin and then selling it in a few days for some profit. Focus on what does it mean for something like this to truly permeate the entire earth. With that, I'm going to bring episode 1 of the New School to a close here. Thank you guys so much for being here. If y'all are serious about the crypto space, the algorithmic trading space, or just the overall financial revolution that's obviously taking our world by storm, then please like, share, subscribe, all of those things here. Also, feel free to follow me on the LinkedIn newsletter itself on my LinkedIn page, Matthew Halfacre, LinkedIn. Thank you again. We'll see you next time.